Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Introduce my name is Ajeng Ayu Fitriani. I'm from Industrial Engineering Garut Institute of Technology. I'd like to tell you about research finding on analysis of the layout of Prima Freshmart Store facilities, vocational school, Bogor Agricultural Institute via activity relationship chart and total closeness rating method. This research was conducted by Aulia et al. In 2023 under the name Journal of Applied Industrial Technology and Management in Bogor. There are several sections that I want to tell: background, formulation of the problem, research method, finding and discuss, and last conclusion. Layout in a shop or place of business is an important decision that shows the effectiveness of operations long term. Facility layout is part of facility design that focus more on the arrangement of element physical form of machine, equipment, tables, and buildings. Arrangement of facility layout in an industrial or place or area are urgently needed in order to increase and improve facilities in order to support business activities of service, feasibility, effective and efficient use of area. The layout used in the retail business is the retail layout, which deal with contact with customer or the company image to create display with an attractive impression. Retail layout a strong means of communication that has a positive and profitable impact. The layout of the retail store can also affect customer perception and satisfaction in shopping. This is because customers have specific patterns and behavior when shopping, so that the location and product arrangement decision on the display rack can also affect the impression and satisfaction customer in shopping. Activity relationship chart is an activity of activities between each part that's described. It is not important whether one room or department is close to other department. Activity relationship map or activity relationship chart is a simple way or technique in planning the layout of facilities or department or based on the degree of activity relationship, which is often stated in a qualitative and inclined assessment based on subjective consideration of each facilities. Next, formulation of the problem. The problem that underlines this research is to determine the facilities that are used as a reference for the layout of the Prima Freshmart store based on ARC and TCR method. In addition to prove, test, and verify governance location of the Prima Freshmart store using the activity relationship chart and total closeness rating method, as well evaluate whether the layout is effective for employees and customers. Next, research method. Number 1, descriptive quantitative. The research method used is to use this type of research quantitative. Quantitative data is a method research that contains concrete data for research data in the form of number calculated using statistics as calculating test tool. Test tool method relates to the problem under study to produce a conclusion. Number 2, data collection technique. Sort of data obtained from primary data and secondary data. Primary data is data obtained and collected by research with direct observation in the field, while secondary data is data obtained from third parties for within and outside the company. Data collection technique carried out in research. This is by using observation, literature study, and documentation. Observation in this study were carried out directly to the field to look for data from the result of observation, saying, and thinking about the phenomena that occur. Study of literature is data, a collection technique used to obtain information about theories and concepts related to the problem studied. Documentation is used to obtain information or data related to research, such as the placement of space and materials. Number 3, method. The research method used is the method of activity relationship chart and total closeness rating. Activity relationship chart is a method that determines the relationship between facilities by direct observation. Total closeness rating is to pay attention to the relationship between one department with other department contained in the activity relationship chart. Number 4, research produce. The main problems analyzed are in the form of data and facts. Problems are identified with appropriate method to help provide ideas and thoughts and make interpretation of research results. Data result in the form of visual or tabulation is to present the data obtained in the form of picture and tables. So expect result this research can be seen clearly. Next, finding and discuss. The picture on the side is the layout of Prima Presmat Store facilities, Vocational School, Bogor Agricultural Institute. The observation results show that the Prima Presmat Store implement facility arrangement in accordance with retail store layout rules. This is supported by previous research and by using the activity relationship chart method. Next, based on the result of ARC, beside that it can be seen the value of the degree of closeness between facilities based on the code of each value. Every code gives a meaning like a cashier has an absolute degree of needing to be close to a display rack because it has an A value. Next, based on the calculating of the activity relationship chart at the Prima Presmat Store, warehouse are priorities as the first facility built. Therefore, it is important to place other facility that have a high A value against the warehouse so that can be mutual adjust and facility operational process. Furthermore, based on the value of A to warehouse, cell phone display, freezer box, and beverage refrigerator also need to be placed adjust to the warehouse. This is because of the facility has a high value rating to the warehouse, indicating a signal relationship between them. Placement of this facility in close proximity will facilitate access to the flow of goods between warehouse and this facility and inscribe the efficiency of the overall operational process. Last, conclusion. Based on the research using the activity relationship chart method at the Prima Presmat Store, it was concluded that the layout of the existing facility was in accordance with the research of ARC and TCR calculation. Therefore, there is no need for repair or change to the existing layout at the Prima Presmat Store. That's all the journal presentation that I can tell. Sorry if there are still many shortcomings and if there are words that are not pleasing. Hopefully what I present can be useful for the audience, especially for myself. Thank you and see you soon everybody.